Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. We are at the Evergreen McCall vacation rental. I'm going to do a quick show and tell on how the system works. So it's a Sony television. This is the remote for it. Powering on right up here. It's paired with a Cable 1 box. Make sure that it's on. You got a green light. And we have a Sony DVD and VHS player. We have DVDs right there. HDMI 1 is what the Cable 1 is set to. And then HDMI 2, HDMI 3 doesn't do anything. Channel 2. And Video 1 is set for the DVD VCR. So if you have any questions regarding how the system operates, you can reach out to us. Number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. And then changing the channels on this device is just right here. Actually, it's also just easy right here. You got channels to change right here. So if you have any further questions, you can just reach out to us. Number's 208-634-0030.